Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect Google Ads to Google Sheets. This integration allows you to easily track and analyze your Google Ads performance in a spreadsheet, making it easier to make data-driven decisions. To get started, you need to have a Google Ads account and a Google Sheets account. If you don't have these, create them now. First, log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Tools and Settings menu. From the drop-down, select Setup and then Link Accounts. Click on Google Sheets and then click Details. You will be redirected to the Google Sheets page where you will be asked to allow Google Ads to access your Google Sheets account. Click Allow to grant permission. Next, go back to your Google Ads account and navigate to the Reports tab. Click on Custom Reports and then click on New Report. Select the metrics and dimensions you want to track, such as clicks, conversions, and cost. You can also choose the date range for the report. Once you have selected the metrics and dimensions, click on Save. You will be prompted to choose where you want to save the report. Select Google Sheets and then choose the spreadsheet where you want to save the report. If you don't have a spreadsheet, create a new one. You can also choose an existing spreadsheet. After selecting the spreadsheet, click on Save. Your report will now be saved to your Google Sheets account. You can schedule your reports to be sent to your Google Sheets account automatically. To do this, click on the three dots next to the report name and select Schedule. Choose the frequency and date range for the report, and then click on Save. Your report will now be sent to your Google Sheets account at the scheduled time. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Google Ads account to Google Sheets and start tracking your performance. In a spreadsheet, this integration allows you to easily analyze your data and make data-driven decisions to optimize your Google Ads campaigns.